Hey everyone, in this video, let's do a review of NinjaTrader. In order to do so, here we are at ninjatrader.com, and let's just go through the homepage here to see exactly what it is that we can expect from NinjaTrader. So as you can see here, this is for futures trading, and we have a variety of resources here that we could take a look at. Let's just stick with the home page here. You could see that we have the option to try NinjaTrader Pulse, which is a revolutionary way to interpret market sentiment, gain unparalleled visibility into the market's true momentum through actual trading data. And better futures start now. No deposit minimum, low margins, low commissions, free platforms, and trade simulation. We can go ahead and click Get Started there. If we want to open an account, we can also click up here. Uncover your opportunity with award-winning futures trading platforms. NinjaTrader delivers integrated multi-device trading using a cloud-based technology designed for active futures traders. Take control of your trading journey and trade how you want, where you want. Access the world's most popular futures markets, including the E-mini indexes. Trade futures seamlessly across devices, including PC, Mac, or mobile. Visualize the futures market and target trades using a customizable futures trading platform. Join a community of over 1 million users that have made NinjaTrader the industry leader. Clear savings for futures trader. Get started with $50 margins and commissions as low as 9 cents for micro contacts. So we've got micro E-minis, micro crude oil, micro Bitcoin. Trade the same markets as Wall Street at a fraction of the cost. Why trade micro E-mini futures at 1/10 the size of the E-minis? Micro E-mini futures allow active futures traders to access highly liquid equity index futures markets at reduced costs. Let's take a look at micro crude oil. Target opportunities in the world's most popular oil market. Why trade micro crude oil futures? Trade with only $100 margins and control a larger contract value in the world's most popular oil marketplace through leverage. We've got micro Bitcoin. Trade Bitcoin futures with professional tools and analysis. Why trade micro Bitcoin futures? Trade easily on your Bitcoin market view through CME Group's regulated and centralized exchange with managed risk. Why trade futures with NinjaTrader? No deposit minimum, low margins. Get started with $50 intraday margins, low commissions. Get started with 9 cents per contract. We've got desktop, web, and mobile apps. Simulated trading. Prepare for live trading with free, unlimited simulated trading. Customization. Integrate thousands of third-party add-ons or develop your own using our C++ based development framework. Get started for free and start trading futures now. Leverage thousands of apps and add-ons to personalize your futures trading setup. Customize your futures trading platform without a programming background. Build your own tools, apps, and more using point-and-click construction or use third-party trading indicators, strategies, and apps built specifically for NinjaTrader to focus and fine-tune your technical analysis, create a setup to meet your unique requirements, expand your opportunity with automated strategies. We've got live streams here that you can join to enhance your futures trading skills. You can join Jim Cagnina every afternoon for expert market analysis in real time. Here we have some unique features, trading provider, centralizing all the tools and services needed for both new and experienced traders to enter the global futures market. Professional futures trading platforms create charts. Modern futures brokerage services with access to free trading simulation, comprehensive support resources, including real-time chat and free premium trading education tools. You have some blogs here we could take a look at. Let's go ahead and take a look here up at the top for our platforms. So we have the overview, trading simulation, customize mobile app. We've got NinjaTrader Pulse, free trading charts, order flow tools, chart market data. Pricing, let's take a closer look. So we can trade with $50 a day, trading margins and commissions as low as 9 cents per micro contract with the industry's leading futures broker. So we got some pricing plans here we could take a look at. So we have the free pay as you trade with no monthly fee, 35 cents micro, $1.29 standard, commissions per side, $0. That's your free tier there. We've got monthly, reduce your per trade commissions, 25 cents micro, 99 cents standard, and $99 a month. We've got the lifetime, which is lowest commissions and order flow plus add-on included, 9 cents micro, 59 cents standard, commissions per side, $14.99 one-time payment. We've got here, view all-in commission rates. Let's go ahead and take a look. So we've got a document here that we could take a look at. We'll just go ahead and continue on. Low margins for most popular contracts. NinjaTrader offers competitive 50-day intraday margins for micro contracts and only $500 margins for popular futures markets. These low rates allow you to build positions and scale in and out with more flexibility. So we've got our $50 margins, $500 margins, and $1,000 margins. So for the 50, it's for the micro E-mini Dow, the micro E-mini Russell 2000, micro E-mini SENP. For $500, we have the E-mini Dow, E-mini Russell 2000, E-mini SNP, and for 1,000 margins, that's for crude oil, gold, and natural gas. So that gives you an idea of what you can expect with NinjaTrader. We've also got a lot of learning tools here, some resources that we could take a look at, getting started, live streams, intro to futures, intro to technical analysis, how to trade futures, place a futures order, using margin, futures contract specifications, futures symbology, all of these great resources that you can take advantage of. So if you are interested in NinjaTrader and you want to get into trading futures, go ahead and go to NinjaTrader.com and open an account, and you can start trading with NinjaTrader. And if you want that free plan, you could take advantage of that. Otherwise, they have the monthly option or the lifetime option. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe for more helpful tips.